Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you have been using Wix for a while now, but suddenly there is a message says domain not connected. So in today's small tutorial, I try to show you all of the steps needed so we can fix this type of issues fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go and look for wix.com in Google or Bing or whatsoever. Then click on the website. They're gonna take you to the page where you should usually log in using your email address and password. Well, if your account is new, they're gonna ask you first to connect a custom domain. So all you're gonna do is paste your own domain, then tap on let's go. But let's say you already have a domain, but you have a certain problem. We're just gonna open settings here. Scroll down until we see site, domain, and SEO. We're gonna go all the way to domains. Well, now you should make sure your domain is fully purchased and active in Wix or with your third party if you are using any third party tools. If it's expired or maybe on hold, renew first. Then verify the DNS settings. For domains not registered with Wix, set the DNS exactly as Wix recommends. So just a small Googling and basically you will be able to find all of them settings, copy them and paste them. You should also check the domain stats in Wix, make sure it's fully connected. They're gonna show you if it's fully connected in this page as well by going through settings and looking into domains. And that's basically it. Thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next video.